Life is very short, Nanba. Always be happy.
Hi, hello, namaste, and welcome back to my channel. And as you all know, yesterday was Independence Day, and all our statuses were flourishing with the tricolor flag. We were so happy and wishing each other a very happy Independence Day. Wow! Claps to us, applause to us. But what about today? Today, the whole patriotism which was yesterday in our blood has gone. You know, when I was studying some 8th standard, some 10 years back, we had a speech for this Independence Day, speech competition for this Independence Day, and I was given a topic of India 2020. You know, APJ has the dream of having a developed India in 2020. But today also, we are still developing. We are just there. We are not improving at all. So, as a simple citizen of the country, what we can do to make our country developed, or what we can do from our part, it may be a very small things, but this will matter a lot. So I'll just tell you the 5 things which I think we all can do in our day-to-day life, in our livelihood, so that our country will have a massive change in the global status. It's not important of putting status for Independence Day. It's a time to bring our country in a status in a whole world. Okay, so what are the 5 things? The first thing is Green India. Every one of you, now as the moment is going, everyone of you should plant one sapling at least. Okay, if you can plant more than one, then that is super. So make India green. The second one is Clean India. Don't spit wherever you want. Consider your nation as your home. In your home you can't spit wherever you go. Your mom will come and beat you. The same way, don't spit, don't put the trash out of your cars, or wherever you drink a cold drink bottle, you put there, you tear a cover, you put there. Don't do that. So Green India, Clean India. The third one is Edu India. So educate India. If you are educated individual, I know most of you will be educated watching this, and if you see any child labor or anyone who is deprived of study, who's not able to study, please advise them about the importance of education, because it's highly important to educate. Okay, if you are well versed, please give them financial support, otherwise at least you can guide them with the government school and resources. Okay, and the fourth thing is population control. Why India has not come as a developed country is because of this population. We are second most populous country in the whole world. So as a technical generation, we should at least follow the government norms of 1 for 2 or 2 for 2. We should try to develop at least this and control our population. And fifth thing is women empowerment. Even now the rural areas, the women are totally damaged. They are totally ill-treated, and there are so much problems they are facing. So try to do women empowerment. Even your maids, even your home, your neighborhood, you will see many of the women, not some, many of the women in India facing all these struggles in their day-to-day life. Try to fix them, try to advise them, try to show them their path to success. So thank you all for watching, and if you think there are some more points which we should do for improving our country, please write it in our comment section. Thank you. Stay tuned. Like, share and subscribe. Happy Independence Day.
देश से है प्यार तो हर पल ये कहना चाहिए, मैं रहूं या ना रहूं भारत ये रहना चाहिए। सिलसिला ये बाद मेरे यूं ही चलना चाहिए, मैं रहूं या ना रहूं भारत ये रहना चाहिए। मेरी नस नस तार कर दो और बना दो एक सितार, राग भारत मुझ पे छेड़ो, झंझनाओ बार बार। देश से